Hi everyone, this is Logging Giants. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to remove watermark from a photo. So let's get into it. First, you need to download one app called Remove Unwanted Object. Then you need to download this app. You can easily get this app from Play Store. Once the app is downloaded, you need to open this app. Now you need to click on skip on bottom right corner. The ad will be shown for a while. Then you'll get to see the option of gallery. You need to click on it. Click on allow. Here you need to choose the picture that you are willing to remove the watermark. So I'm gonna choose this picture. Here you can see the watermark of InShot. Well, and if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now in order to remove the watermark, you need to click on brush on bottom left corner. Now you need to draw it to the part where your watermark is available. You need to cover up this watermark. And once you are done, you need to click on process. There you go, your watermark has been removed successfully. Now you just need to save it in your gallery. Well, with this process, you can easily remove any watermark from your pictures. So I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching it till the end. We'll see you on my next video.